Here we have the Colt titanium made by, I think, Colt. It's got a Colt blade on it. What I want to show you about this is on this side you got a screw here, and a screw here. They're all Torx. They're Torx bit, okay? So you have to have Torx set. Excuse me. And when you open it, it locks right there, okay? You see that? It keeps the blade locked. But here is the stopper right here. I don't know why they did this, but they put a pin in there, an indent pin, and it's indented into this plate here, okay? And it's only held in by this screw right here, okay? So if you loosen the screw, this pin can fall out when you flick it open. It's not made like this right here, where it should have the right through, a nut going right through, and that bolster right in there, okay? So what I did was I took these screws out here, 1, 2, 3, took the knife apart, and I went in there and I glued the pin back in, and then I put some, believe it or not, green stuff on there, and let it harden, and now it's back functioning. I use this for opening letters, and that's what I want to show you. So that's how you fix that. So I was lucky enough to find the pin after it fell out on the table. I was cutting a box with it. These knives, these and other knives like this, are not really made for cutting boxes, you know, especially when they're dull. So you don't want to do that. They're made for cutting letters open and things like that. So that's my tip for today, and I hope you like this video. Please rate, subscribe, and ring the little bell with the ringers, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.